What's up, you guys, and good morning. We are back at it, and it's a cold front, and it is nippy. It is Monday, the week of Christmas, and we got a massive cold front here in Central Florida. It is in the low 40s right now, or mid 40s, and we are supposed to get into the low 70s, 5 to 10 mile an hour winds. It's going to be sunny with some clouds. Wanted to get out here earlier because we're not going to have that cloud cover, but we're here and we're going to see if the crappie are biting. So not going to do that much different than what I have done or I did in the last video, but we're going to try to catch crappie. Let's see if they're biting. There we go, second cast. Doesn't feel too big though. Okay, he's got some, he's broad. He's not long, but he's broad. I don't think he's something I'm going to keep, but let's just measure him for good measure. 9.5. Wow, it's hard to throw him back, but we'll just throw that guy back. Not really wanting to clean them, but I love catching them. And nobody likes to help cleaning them. But they're all lined up to eat them. So water temp 65. So it's dropped 5 degrees. I wanted to wait and let it settle in because it's usually not right initially. There he is. Ooh, he got it low. Got it real deep. Looks like another 9.5 incher. Need some big boys. That's 10. Well, I might be cleaning crappie then. We might be cleaning some crappies. It's hard to complain about catching what you came out to catch. Saw quite a bit of stuff. Looked more like bass activity further out. There he is. Feels like a good one. The crappie. Might be a bass. Oh, it's a crappie. Good one. He's just a fighter. That's a good one. Looks like 11 incher. 10.5 incher. Look at that, guys. 10.5 inch slab. Oh no, he got my tail. Son of a gun. Super glue will save you. I mean, it's that them pulling it off and you stretching that front up. That's what messes you up. There he is. Wow. Is that a bass? I don't know. It's a crappie. Wow. That's a little over 10. I thought he was smaller than the last one. That's crazy. There he is. Really low. Keeping it low. It's heavy, just, yeah, that's probably a pretty good one. Gotta keep it low. Low and slow. 10 incher. I like some 11s. We'll have to keep it low and slow. Just try to slow reel it along that grass, on top of that grass. I think is what we're gonna have to do. We're sitting at like 4 feet, right on top of the grass. That's a good one. A little over 10. See that, guys. Looks like a good one. It's a crappie. It's a good one. Oh yeah. It's a thumper. There we go, boys. Got us a donkey. Now we got a little slab. That one. Well, ain't that much bigger. He's the biggest one of the day, probably. Let's see. Can we get something over 11? 11 and a half, 12? No, he's not the biggest. Just under 11. But he's a good one. That's what we need. That's the size we need. That's a crystal bass. Put that joker on a crystal bun. Some mustard and some pickles. Ooh. There's a good one. Oh, bass. Oh no, it's a crappie. Oh, dog. That's a good one. Okay, I see you. Oh, dropped it down there low. Here we go. That's what we're looking for. There we go, boys. 11 incher. We'll take him. That one, like, he was more jumpy than pulley. There he is. Yeah, boy. Dragged tight? I don't know. There's another good one, guys. Ooh, heck yeah. Alright, we found some toads right here. Just a tad bit deeper. Look at that, guys. There we go, another 11 incher probably. They're 11. I hear about 7, a little over 7 foot of water. Alright, found a little hole over here. Where you at, boy? Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one, guys. Getting some bigger ones moving in here. Let's he go? He ain't as big as 11, I don't think, but let's see. Almost 10 and a half. He's got some a little broader. Yeah. Oh, there he is. Can't believe I'm gonna. Oh, that's a good one. Can't believe I had a bass freaking come after him. Let's see. 10 incher. They all got frayed tails. I wonder if these are males in their bed, and I don't know. They aren't very dark. Look at that, guys. We just came over a massive school. Look at all that. See what it is. There he is. Crappie. That's a good one. I think. 9 and a half. I don't need any more of those. So we got a new grass edge out here, and then it starts right there, and there was just a wad sitting in there. There he is. There we go. It's halfway. That's a decent one. That's a keeper. He's got a little weight on him. Let's see. Yeah, he's got some weight on that guy. 11 incher. with some shoulders. That's what we want. Oh, wow. They are sitting right here, dude. That's hilarious. Ooh, that's a good one. That's another good one. That's another good one. I don't know. Let's see. 10-incher. Oh, God, there's a wad. They're all seem to be decent so far. Oh, yeah. That one's heavy. Jacking them up now. Pretty. That's probably, yep, 11-incher. Wow, it's loaded over here on this edge. There he is. And they're all decent size. Nice one. Another 11-incher. Bam. 10.5, but super broad. Feels like a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Now we're catching some slabs. Well, not really, but he's a good one. 10.5, 10.5, 10.5. There he is. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh yeah. It's a dark one too. So they all black crappie. 10.5. Oh gosh, yeah, they're over here. Under the boat. Oh yeah, that's a heavy one. Goodness. They over here, boys. So they just moved to some deeper grass. We got like 7.5 feet over here. Oh yes. Those are some nice ones. Now we own some good ones. Goodness, they're under the boat. They don't seem to like it when you tight line them. There he is. That's a good one. Ooh, yeah, that's a real good one. Oh gosh. Where's the net, boys? There's the biggest one of the day, maybe. They're over. Glad I came over and started looking a little bit. Let's see what we got. 11.5. That is the biggest one of the day, I believe. 11.5. We'll have to go through and throw some of these smaller ones out. Some of the 9.5s that were heavy that I put in here. You got all these freaking crappie, and the bass are just non-existent. Well, I don't think we flipping today because we found the big ones. We found the big ones today. Cold weather. Yes, sir. 11 and a half. I don't know, guys. I might have to count these. I may be getting close to 25. I don't know. I won't leave with more than 25, that's for sure. I ain't got time to clean them. Oh, they're under the boat. There he is. First tight liner. There you go. Tight lining them. So we're in like 7.3. It's not that big though. 10 inch. Now the 10 inches are looking small. That's what you want. Ooh, there's a good one. There we go, boys. That might be the biggest of the day. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Some thumpers today, boys. Nah, he's not the biggest. He was the best fighter, though. That's for sure. 12-incher. 12-incher. Where's my net? That's a good one. 10 and a half. 10 and a half. Good Lord, the crappie in there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go through those. Dude, they are under the boat. Something serious. I mean, normally I would think that was a bass. Ooh, I saw. Holy cow. I just saw him eat it, dude. That was amazing. Holy cow. I pulled it up, and then he freaking darted up and got it. That was dope. That was dope, dude. Wow, bro. You engulfed that sucker. 10 and a half, too. Goodness gracious almighty. Holy cow, they're under the boat like crazy. Damn, they're over in this bare spot. That's a joker. That's a chunker right there. I was beginning to wonder if they had any good ones in here. And they do. 11-incher. 11-incher, guys. 11-incher. That's a good one. There we go. 10 and a half. 1. 23. 24. Wow. 25. Wow. That's 11-incher. So I got 2 I gotta trade out. They're a lot more active now. Feels like a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a really good one. Holy cow, guys, that might be the biggest one of the day. Holy shnikey. Look at that joker. 13 incher. My third biggest one of the crappie season. 13 inches. That's pretty. That is pretty. 13 incher. So we're gonna swap one of these. Got these 9.5 inchers out. I got one more to upgrade. Is that a bass? Must be a bass. No, that's a dang crappie. That's a big one. Come on, stay hooked, dude. Stay hooked. Stay hooked. Oh, that's a good one, guys. Oh, where's my net? Here we go. Look at that, guys. Now we're catching slabs. Dang, I hate to even go home. But I gotta go here pretty soon. Look at that, guys. That's a nice one. Time is it? Yep, I got to go. 12.5. Yes, sir. That's an upgrade. There's our upgrade, guys. Like we're bass fishing. There's my coal. There's my coal. All right, that's number 25. Where you at, Joker? Man, the big ones are in here today. Where you at? Oh my God, look at that Joker. Look at that thing. Look at that, dude. That's a toad. Look at that, guys. That's probably 12.5. He's heavy. Right at 12. Right at 12. Alright, we can't leave on that note. One more cast. Hard to leave. Catching them. Alright, we'll save some for another day. They all getting smaller now. I ain't got time to zero in on them. Got to go. Got to go. Alright, we out, and holy cow! What a crappie day. So, got my limit. Plus, I don't know how many I had to upgrade. I mean, you'll see it. Hopefully, you'll see some of that. I'll put it in there. I had to upgrade because earlier in the morning I was getting 9.5s. 10, well, very few 9.5s. Overall, the day was a lot better size wise. I wasn't catching as many, and by now I caught a lot. I don't know if I got to 50, but probably, and. Overall size was a lot better. I only threw back and they were like 9.5 plus, almost 10-ish. And I think I threw back 4 or 5, and then probably 2 more, 7 maybe, to upgrade the bigger ones I caught. Got a 13, that's the biggest one I've gotten. I think I got a couple 12.5s, and it was awesome. Unfortunately, I got to leave, but this spot, they started to fizzle out. First time I've caught them, and I might have caught some over here last time because I caught 2 or 3 in one spot and then it kind of fizzled, so I didn't mark it. Was coming back over and I saw this wad. Hopefully I could show you that, and marked it. I said, let's fish it. I was thinking it might be bass because, I mean, it was really good marks. And it was crappie, and it was one after another. It was another edge. When you moved in the main lake grass, there was another drop, and I know there's several around here from bass fishing. And and it was bare, and I was catching them bare and in the grass and over. It was about 8 feet, so it was shallower to deeper, but we got bright skies. It didn't matter if the wind stopped or it picked up. They still were biting when I got on them. So that was awesome. I'm super excited, as you can tell. So that was fun. The worst part is going to be cleaning all these fish, and probably going to put them on ice and do it another time. But that was awesome. The same jig that I used last time, and I'm running out of these. I need to get some more. They got them at Bass Pro Shop, and it is an Arkansas Shiner, I think, color. That finesse shad, 16th ounce. And I put it in my last video, but the first day I went, I had a red jig head. I always threw red in Alabama. The second time I put a black one on, and that was the difference. They didn't want anything to do with the red. The water's fairly clear, probably 2.5, maybe 3-ish. But yeah, in Alabama, red's the deal. Bass and I love red. But I got to go. Hope you like the video. These videos, because there's so much footage and so many fish, takes a while to do them. But awesome day, cold day. That's what's got them moved in. It looks like the bigger ones are starting to move in. The bass, I don't know where the heck they are. I threw trap a little bit. I'm not going to put that in there around this. That's it. So thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on BMS Fishing. We out.